Welcome back. Today we are going to do exercise 7.2. In this exercise, to solve the questions from this exercise, we use section formula. Let us recall section formula first. Section formula is used to find out the coordinates of a point which lies on a line segment, and the point divides the line segment in a given ratio. Okay, see, look here. Here we have a line segment AB, and the coordinates of A and B are given to you. And if a point P, okay, the point P lies on AB, then definitely the point P divides the line segment in a ratio. Then that ratio be M1 and M2. Okay, take that ratio as M1 and M2. And if you want to find out the coordinates of the point P, here I have taken the coordinates as X and Y. If you want to find out the coordinates of the point P, we use section formula. Okay, so let us see what is that formula. To get the X coordinate, the formula is M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2. That is the X coordinate of the point P. Then what is the Y coordinate of the point P? Similarly, Y coordinate is M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, so this is the X coordinate and this is the Y coordinate. This is section formula. Okay. The next one is, if the point P is the midpoint of AB, then how to get the coordinates of that point P? If P is the midpoint, then the X coordinate of P is x1 plus x2 by 2, and the Y coordinate is y1 plus y2 by 2. That means in the line segment AB, if P is the midpoint of AB, then the coordinates of P will be x1 plus x2 by 2, that is the X coordinate, and y1 plus y2 by 2, that is the Y coordinate. Now the next question type is to find the ratio. And how to get the ratio if the ratios are not given to you? But if the ratios are not given to you, the coordinates of P will be given to you. Okay, then that time you take the ratio as K is to 1. Okay, the ratio is K is to 1. Okay, then how will you get that value of K? Okay, so that means X is Kx2 plus x1 by K plus 1. The same section formula we are using. Instead of M1 and M2, we are using K is to 1. Okay. Kx2 plus x1 by K plus 1, that is the X coordinate. And the Y coordinate is Ky2 plus y1 by K plus 1. Okay, this is the Y coordinate. Okay, do this and these values will be given to you. Okay. Then equate this to the value of X coordinate and equate this to the ordinate, then you will get the value of K. Okay. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും നമ്മൾ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്ത് വരുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് എടുക്കേണ്ടത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കാം. Okay, let us go to the problems. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of a point which divides joining of these 2 points, okay, in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so the point which divides the line segment AB, this is the line segment AB, the point is, take the point as P, and the ratio of the division is also given to you. Now the question is to find the coordinates of the point P. Okay, then what is the formula? Section formula. The point is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. That is the x coordinate. And the y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now you substitute the values in this formula. Here m1 is 2, then m2 is 3. Okay. Then x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute the values in the formula. Okay. Look here, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. This is m1, this is m2. Now substitute these values in the formula. m1 x2, that means 2 into 4 plus m2 x1, that means 3 into negative 1 divided by m1 plus m2, that means 2 plus 3. Here m1 y2, that means m1 is 2. 2 into y2 is negative 3. Okay, plus m2 y1, that means m2 is 3. 3 into y1 is 7 by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3. Then 2 into 4 is 8. Then 3 into negative 1 is negative 3. Divided by 5. Here negative 6 plus 21 by 5. 8 plus negative 3. ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവും ഒരു നെഗറ്റീവും കൂടി ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ വലിയ നമ്പറിൽ നിന്ന് ചെറിയ നമ്പർ മൈനസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വലുത് സൈഡ് ഇടുക. Here 5. Here also the same way, find the difference of two numbers, then put the sign of the greater number. Here greater number sign is positive, that means 15 by 5. Positive 15 by 5, that means 5 by 5 is 1, 15 by 5 is 3. Therefore, the coordinates of P 1 and 3. Second question, find the coordinates of trisection joining these 2 points. So trisection means equal ആയിട്ട് 3 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. അതാണ് trisection എന്നുള്ളതിന്റെ മീനിങ്. Okay. So here the 2 points which is trisecting this line segment B, P and Q. This means AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. This is the meaning of this. Then what will be the ratio of AP and PB? That means P divides this line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. Okay. ഇവിടുന്ന് ഇതുവരെ 1 part, ഇവിടുന്ന് ഇതുവരെ 2 parts. അല്ലേ? Look at the figure. So what will be AP is to PB? That is 1:2. That means P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Okay, then what will be ratio of AQ is to QB? Look, AQ is 2 parts and QB is 1 part. Then AQ is to QB is 2:1. That means Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so here you get P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Then you can use section formula to get the coordinates of P. Similarly, using section formula, you will get the coordinates of Q, because the ratio of AQ is to QB is 2:1. Okay, രണ്ട് സ്ഥലത്ത് നമുക്ക് സെക്ഷൻ ഫോർമുല അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. ഇവിടെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് after getting the coordinates of P to get the coordinates of Q, നമുക്ക് മിഡ് പോയിന്റ് എടുത്താലും മതി, അങ്ങനെയും ചെയ്യാം. Okay, because Q is the midpoint of PB. That way also you can do. Look here, coordinates of P. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So M1, M2, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now substitute these values in the formula. M1, x2, that means 1 into negative 2 plus m2 x1, that means 2 into 4 divided by m1 plus m2. Then m1 y2, that means 1 into m1 y2, 1 into negative 3 plus m2 y1, that means 2 into negative 1 divided by m1 plus m2. Then this you will get negative 2 plus 2 into 4 is 8 by 3. Here 1 into negative 3 plus negative 2 by 3. This is 6 by 3, that is 2. This is negative 5 by 3. So coordinates of P 2, negative 5 by 3. Now coordinates of Q. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So m1 x2, that means m1 is 2 into x2 is negative 2 there, that means 2 into negative 2 plus m2 x1, that means 1 into 4 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 1. Then m1 y2, that means 2 into y2 is negative 3 plus m2 y1, that means 1 into negative 1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is negative 4. This is 1 into 4 is 4. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 by 3, that is 0. Here it is negative 6 plus negative 1 by 3, that is negative 7 by 3. That means coordinates of Q 0, negative 7 by 3. Now the next question is question number 3. For that question we have to find out the coordinates of the points from the figure, and after finding the coordinates use distance formula to find the distance between those 2 points. Okay.
Read question number 3. In the figure given that ABCD is the rectangular school ground, length of AB is 10 meters. Then what will be length of AD? Along AD, 100 flower pots have been placed, and the distance between each pot is 1 meter. That means total length of AD will be 100 meters. And Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance of AD. That means she runs 25 meters. 1/4 of 100 is 25. And she runs on the second line. So coordinates of flag posted by Niharika to 25. Similarly, Preeti runs 1/5 distance of AD. That means she runs 1/5 of 100. That means 20 meters on the 8th line and post a red flag. And the coordinates of flag posted by Preeti, that is 8, 20.
Here we got the points. N is 225 and P 820. Now find the distance between these 2 points using distance formula. Distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That means NP is equal to, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. That means NP is x2 minus x1, that means 8 minus 2 the whole square plus 20 minus 25 the whole square. Okay, find out that. That is 8 minus 2 is 6, 20 minus 25 minus 5, that means 6 square 36 minus 5 square 25. That is root 61 meters. Distance between these 2 flags is root 61 meters. Then the next part of the question is Rashmi has to place a flag halfway between these 2 points in NP. Okay, then we want to find out the coordinates of the point R. Okay, so this is the midpoint of NP. So what is the formula for finding midpoint of a line segment? Midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, that is the x coordinate, and y coordinate is y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so you find out the coordinates of R. The coordinates of R are the midpoint of NP. Here the coordinates of R are the midpoints of NP. That means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 is 2, x2 8, y1 25, y2 20. That means 2 plus 8 by 2, 20 plus 25 by 2. That means 5 and 22.5. That means Rashmi has to place the flag on the fifth line 22.5 meter away from AB.